Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we'll see how to make a delicious and healthy idli using black rice, also called forbidden rice. It has powerful disease-fighting antioxidants, vitamins and minerals that help keep you fit and healthy. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Now let's get started. These are the ingredients we require to make these recipes. To make a soft idli, the ratio is 2 cups of black rice, 2 cups of idli rice and 1 cup of black gram dal. Today this type of rice is picking up popularity and popping up in more healthy food stores across the world. Wash and soak it for about 6 to 8 hours or leave it overnight. Do not discard this water, we will use it while grinding. This is after 8 hours. First let's grind the dal with the water in which we have soaked it. It will take around 15 to 20 minutes to get that smooth texture. A small tip for beginners to check whether dal is done: drop a little dal batter in water. If it floats, then it's pretty much done. Now let's grind the rice. To get soft and spongy idli, add some cooked rice while grinding. This is half cup of cooked rice. To this I'm adding 2 pinches of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of salt. Add water and grind. This will take around 20 minutes. Check every 5 minutes for water and scrape the sides and grind. Rice is done, nice and soft. Check the consistency. Now let's mix both rice and dal. It has to ferment, so cover and keep it aside in a warm place for 8 hours. If the weather is cold, turn on the oven for 10 minutes, then turn it off and keep the batter in the oven to ferment. The batter is fermented. This is how it should be. To get a soft idli, your batter should be fermented well. My batter is thick, so I'm adding little water to adjust the consistency. It should be very thick or very thin. Check the consistency. Now let's grease the mold with some oil or ghee. Fill half the container with batter. Add some water to the pan. Once the water starts to boil, place the mold carefully, cover it and cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes now. Let's check it out. Insert a toothpick or a skewer. If it comes out clean, then it's done. Now let's make chutney. For that, into a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using organic groundnut oil. Once the oil is hot, add 2 tablespoons of black gram dal, also called urad dal. Fry it for a while. Add 2 onions roughly chopped. Fry it for a minute. To this add half an inch ginger, a small lemon sized tamarind, 6 red chilies. Add chilies according to your taste. Saute this for 2 to 3 minutes. This is one big tomato roughly chopped. Saute this for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Now the tomatoes are nice and mushy. Turn off the flame, let it cool down. Transfer it to a blender, add 1/4 cup of coriander leaves, grind to a chutney consistency. Let's make seasoning for chutney. Add a tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 red chilies, a few curry leaves. Fry and add it to the chutney. Idli is so soft and spongy. Try this healthy breakfast. It's quite low in calories and it contains a high amount of fiber, which is very good for our digestive system. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts about this recipe in the comment section below. For more such videos, click on the left to check out my previous video and on the right my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.